Hello, this is Paul Reiber with Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan, and today we are looking at a 2016 Chrysler Town & Country Amerivan. This is an Eldorado package. This is a competitor of Freedom Motors. Here at Freedom Motors, we have a huge selection of wheelchair accessible vehicles, and many times we purchase vehicles from dealers that are going out of business to have some competitor inventory in stock. So this is one of our vehicles that we have in our inventory. It is a competitor. We have a similar side entry Toyota Sienna package. We have a rear entry Neil van, Freedom Motors package for wheelchair accessible mobility van packages. We have hundreds of wheelchair accessible vehicles in stock. This is just one of many that we have here. This is a integrated remote key fob that works with the conversion, with the wheelchair accessible conversion. So with just one touch of a button on the key fob, it opens the side door and the wheelchair ramp deploys, as you can see here. This vehicle is a 2016 model. It has leather interior, rear DVD system, dual powered sliding doors, power rear hatch, backup camera, 37,000 miles, push button. As you can see in this warehouse here, we have displayed dozens of different types of wheelchair accessible vehicles that we offer here at Freedom Motors. We offer Kia Souls and Kia Sorentos, Chevy Suburbans, Chevy Silverados, GMC Yukons, GMC Sierras. We have vehicles with automatic rear entry and driver transfer seats, so you can transfer from your wheelchair to the original factory chair and drive by yourself with virtually no help from anyone whatsoever. Pretty awesome. Freedom Motors has been in business for over 30 years, and we offer wheelchair accessible cars, trucks, vans, and SUVs. If you're in the market for a wheelchair accessible vehicle, please give us a call toll free at 1-800-625-6335. That's 1-800-625-6335. This is a side entry van, and the rear third row seat is in place. It's not a stow and go as the originally from the factory, but it's the original seat that's been reattached to the third row there, to the back area. So you could have 3 people sit in the back, 2 people in the front, and the wheelchair occupant can be in the middle, or the wheelchair occupant could drive with wheelchair hand controls if necessary, or you could drive shotgun up here, passenger as well. So you have the option with a side entry like this one here to remove either one of those seats and just roll those seats right down the ramp and store them, and then you could park your wheelchair right up front as the driver or the passenger. Pretty cool. This is just one of many, many options. Hundreds of wheelchair accessible vehicles we have in stock here at Freedom Motors. If you are in the market, please check out our website at freedommotors.com. Please click the subscribe page on the YouTube page to keep up to date with all of our latest and greatest YouTube walk-around videos of all of our amazing wheelchair mobility accessible vehicles. Freedom Motors USA, Battle Creek, Michigan, been in business over 30 years, and we have lots of really awesome, amazing, and cool, stylish vehicles, crossovers, cars, trucks, SUVs, 4x4s, pickups. Check out our entire inventory, freedommotors.com. Give us a call with any questions you may have. We offer in-house free demonstrations. We do offer coast-to-coast delivery as well, nationwide shipping. Give us a call with any questions you may have, 1-800-625-6335. This one's loaded up, leather interior, automatic power, side entry, wheelchair accessible mobility ramp. 37,000 miles, in great shape inside and out, absolutely gorgeous. Give us a call if you're in the market for a wheelchair mobility accessible vehicle. We'll work hard to earn your business and find the vehicle that's right for you and your family. Give us a call, 1-800-625-6335. Freedom Motors USA, Battle Creek, Michigan. Thanks for watching my video and have a great day.